Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 113C Star Street in Carlisle. This rear private and quiet family home has got a great design with 2 living areas, and you're still not compromising on the room size. Plus, with its recent upgrades to the bathroom and kitchen, it gives you that new home feel. So if you're looking to get started or looking to downsize and still want some luxuries, then this is the home for you. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 113C Star Street in Carlisle. As you can see, there's plenty of room to move around, and you're not compromising on those finishes either. They could quite easily be a brand new home. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.